In this video, we'll balance the equation for the decomposition of Al2O3 This is aluminum hydrogen carbonate, also called aluminum bicarbonate. So to balance the equation, let's first count the atoms up. We have one aluminum atom, and then this 3, it applies to everything here in the parentheses. So we have 3 times 1, 3 hydrogens, 3 times 1, 3 carbons, 3 times 3, 9 oxygens. Product side, we have 2 aluminum atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 carbon atom, and then the oxygens we have 3 plus 2 plus 1. So that's 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1, 6 oxygen atoms. I like to leave the oxygen atoms till last, the hydrogen atoms too. Let's put a 2 as our coefficient in front of the aluminum bicarbonate here, because that'll change everything else as we do that. So we'll put a 2 here. Let's update all these numbers. So we have 1 times 2, 2 of these, and then we have 3 times 1 times 2. So 3 times 2, that's 6. 3 times 1 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9 times 2, that's 18 carbons. At this point, the aluminums are balanced. Let's do the carbons next. We're leaving the hydrogens and the oxygens till last. If we put a 6 in front of the carbon, 1 times 6, that balances the carbon atoms. And now let's write this out for the oxygens. We have 3 plus 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1. That gives us 16 oxygen atoms. Let's just try to balance the hydrogen atoms and see what happens, because I could put a 3 in front of the H2O. 2 times 3, that gives us 6. Now we do need to update the oxygens once again. So we have 3 plus 2 times 6 is 12 plus 3 times 1 is 3, and 15 plus 3, 18. Works out nicely. This is the balanced equation for Al2O3 decomposing. The trick here is really, first of all, recognize that this 3, it applies to everything in parentheses. That's important. And that you have all these different oxygens. Make sure you count all of those up. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for the decomposition of aluminum bicarbonate, also called aluminum hydrogen carbonate. Thanks for watching.